Hi, this is Brittany Herrera. I'm going to be going over enhancement number 2 for CIT 336. This enhancement will be learning how to use PHPmyadmin and how that builds databases to tie into our website, which I guess we'll get into this area. Um, Basically, you go to localhost PHPmyadmin and we learn how to build the database and um, import databases, which we were given a lot of information in our homework assignment. Um, so when we go to NetBeans, we will see that we have our connections PHP, which will have our username and password that we create for um, for this database, so that we can link them together. And also, we also needed to create this error page. So if we try to connect and there's an error, that it would display a message, and the message is in this page. So we have some code that we were given and some websites also that will help us with learning to use the SQL database. So, and using SQL statements. And we have this W3 schools that help, and also using the video. And we have a great TA as well that really did a great job explaining things to me. But with the code from the homework, we're able to start the project and start building from PHPmyadmin. So we basically had to start a new database, add the rows, as you can see, client ID, client first name, client last name, client email, client password, all of this. We had to build that. And there is some information. There's the clients and inventory. And we can keep expanding. If we want to click on that, this is something you'll see if you want to click on inventory, you go to new, and these are different things that you'll see. So we have all this information in here, and then in our assignment, it has some things to write in, and then we have to learn to write these statements. So that's where I use the W3 schools. We basically have to put it in here to a text editor, and then write them into here. And here are the statements we're going to try out. So like first we need to insert the client stuff. So let's copy that, put it into PHPmyadmin under this, and let's paste that and let's see what it says. Yay, so we just wrote a good statement and it said it was inserted. Now let's go to the next thing, and we will have to take that and pull it into here. Sorry about that. And pull it into here. And we have an error. So this statement has issues. So let's go back and let's redo that. Yay. So that worked. Now we go and do the third. We need to update the inventory. And we basically want to always check if everything's written out right. And that was great. And then we have to do this statement, which this is all in the information in the assignment. And that was great. And this last one. And on this one, I'll go to inventories, and so you can see, because it's kind of the easier one. This guy here, we're going to delete. And I just need to put the statement, put the query into here, press go. Do I really want to delete it? Okay. And now we're going to look again under inventory, and look, number 7's gone. Okay. So this is what we did when building a database, basically playing around to see how you can manipulate them. And also on our code, if we go to run the connections, see if we go to run the text file, oh, in the library, that's right. Then we can see what happens here. It says here that the connection works. Okay. Now, if I change that, something in it, and I just change the E and save it and run it again, what's going to happen? Let's try to, sorry, there is a problem. Okay, so now that error page does work. And this is the assignment we have, just to try to build the database, link to the website, and make sure we know how to manipulate it. I enjoyed learning how to use this, and look forward to the next lesson. Thank you. Bye.